Welcome to Pick and Mix video number 1, a collection of clips from real driving lessons with different levels of learners, including mock tests, lots of general tips and advice for learner drivers.
Okay, so let's get it ready. So let's get it into the first gear. Keep an eye on the mirror. Does it look good?
Yeah.
If it does, get your bonnet lift. Bonnet lift. Yeah. Quick look. Gas. Signal for him. That's it. That was nice and smooth, wasn't it? Signal. That's it. Right, bit of gas. Second. Lovely. Right, so let's try the bit at the top. We're turning right. Think about your bowling ball technique and don't leave it late because otherwise you'll be in trouble. Yeah. And first left. So see how he's held back because he knew he couldn't get in. That's it. Yeah.
The video is locked.
Is it good? Yeah. That's it. Yeah. That's it. Good. So she was planning well, wasn't she? And right at the end. That over brake, but gently. That's it. Now, I would always be very careful with pedestrians like that.
I know, I was thinking that because
Yeah.
I think I'm slowing down for them.
So I would not come down too fast in case he steps out, but I wouldn't leave it too late and then harshly brake. So what you can do is secretly brake gently as you come up towards it. Yeah. Right, what's going on? Look, is the guy with the bike going to use the crossing?
Potentially,
Yeah.
yes.
Almost like I can predict that, isn't it? Yeah.
The video is locked.
So we kept stopping for him when he'd already
Yeah,
left it 5
sorry.
hours ago. Yeah. Come back to the left a little bit more. You'll help the bus out. Take the first left. So you're going to get to the crossing. Right, so let's have a little look. Ooh, bit much. Yeah. So the first thing is usually park cars on the path. There they are. Okay, anything coming the other way?
No.
No, so we can give a little bit of clearance. Anything coming the other way?
No.
No? Okay, so we can keep clearance for this one. Anything coming the other way? No, so we can keep it going a little bit. Anything comes the other way, we're going to just reduce our speed and get a bit further to our side. Look behind you. Oh, there we are as well. A little bit slower. That's it. See, we weren't exactly slowing down, was he? Yeah?
And then second gear.
Yeah.
The video is locked.
Yep.
The video is locked.
Right, so let's come out nice and steady. Let's see what's happening around the corner. Ooh, okay, and that's why. Lovely. Good. That's it. You're checking the mirrors. So you've got a little gap before the blue car, if
Yeah.
anything does come. But notice the guy's following you. You
Yeah.
need to be able to tuck into it as well. That's it. Okay. Nice and steady. Right, this is going to be a brilliant one. So if you can check the mirror, and
Yeah.
all we want to do is not double park anything to the point where other vehicles can't get through. So come back to the left a little bit more, come back to the left a bit more, and what we're going to do is hold back and stop here. Because then they can get through, look. That's it. Move forward a little bit more now because they've blocked it. Just move forward a fraction, just a tiny bit, because they're now all blocked behind, because none of those planned it.
Okay.
Can you feel me just with
Yeah,
your
yeah.
clutch? So we planned and they didn't. And I want to try and video and
The
take both
video
of those.
is locked.
So we said don't double park,
Yeah.
which he did. Hang
Yeah.
back, hang back. But all the other people behind didn't do it. So what happened was they got past you and then they had
Yeah.
nowhere to go. Following it around the bend, look at the shadows being cast onto the road because you might see vehicles, you might
Yeah.
see people, their shadows before you actually see them. Yeah. Okay, staying slow. And look at the houses opposite. Can you see where you can see reflections on
mirrors,
those
the
lovely
windows,
shiny windows?
yeah.
Yeah, I can see the reflection of the lamppost. Oh, there's a van look. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Then there's the mirrors. Look good?
Yeah.
So the van we couldn't see right at the beginning, but we did see it eventually, didn't we? Yeah. Oh, he's doing some reversing, so I would just brake, come back in and just roll slowly. Not sure where he's going. Straighten her out, just so it doesn't look like we're parking. And I'm just going to get you to stop here for me. Clutch brake, stop here for me. Is he going back in? Yeah, okay, and then we'll carry on.
The video is locked.
Bit of manoeuvring, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crikey.
Are you keeping your lane?
The video is locked. The video is locked.
I hope you enjoyed our pick and mix, and I hope you found some of the clips helpful. Like and subscribe to our channel to see some more driving videos to help you along your learner driver journey. Thanks for watching.